Hey, this is Mike with Family Handyman. I've got this saw here that I've been using for quite some time on all kinds of projects. It's the Makita 18-volt, 6.5-inch circular saw. It's got a lot of features I really like. Let me tell you about them. So a few things I really like about this saw. First, it's compact, it's nice and small, but with the 6.5-inch blade, you can still cut standard 2x4s very easily, even at somewhat of a bevel. The other thing I like is this guide right here on the front is adjustable. So if it's off a little bit, if you're someone who likes using the guide on the front of the shoe, you can move it to exactly fit your needs. A few other things are these set screws at the bottom. This one ensures accuracy when the blade is positioned at 90 degrees to the shoe, and this set screw will adjust when it's in the 45-degree position at a bevel. A few other things, it's got this nice rafter hook so you can hang it on your sawhorses. It's also got this edge guide slot where you can put an edge guide in there and make smaller rips really easy and repeatable. And one of my favorite features is that it has an electric brake. So when you pull the trigger, it stops immediately upon release instead of winding down slowly. So this Makita trim saw comes as a tool only if you have the batteries and the chargers already. Otherwise, you can buy it as a kit. And with all the features that it's got, and after using it for quite a while, this thing is Family Handyman approved. So to see all the other products that we're testing and approving, head to familyhandyman.com.